Okay, guys, we're about to get these boys of mine to find the pickle. So it's the last ornament that we put on for Christmas, and it's been hidden in the tree. It is actually hanging in the tree. Rules kind of are is whoever finds the pickle, they get 20 bucks. So let's see which one of my older boys can find the pickle. So we just thought that we'd share this little family moment with y'all and make it fun for the boys. Enjoy.
There you go.
Just
Go on
don't
ahead
touch.
and look.
Put your hands behind your back. Look.
When I find it, I just reach for it.
No.
Yeah, you have to get it.
Oh.
Found it.
Oh.
Well, guys, I think that's a
I think we got a winner here.
record.
We got a winner.
I think that was within.
I found it.
That was within maybe a minute
I got it first.
or
I touched
30
it.
seconds.
I have it in my hand.
No, it's whoever found it first.
You didn't grab it
Yes,
first.
I did. I'm just gonna dig it out.
All right, show the people the pickle, how big it is. That was pretty fast because that's. I thought I hit it pretty good. I guess I didn't. Well, guys, thought it was gonna be a longer video. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be having some Korean food. Chicken with vegetables and rice and some seaweed chips. And sunny side egg on the side with some Kool-Aid. My wife made this this meal, so it wasn't from somebody else or somewhere else. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy. But first of all, I just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and hope everyone is enjoying their shopping and the love for the family, being together during these times with the virus going around and everything. So just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas from us to y'all. I think this plate's a little too big. The food's moving everywhere. We went to the Asian store today and got some spicy seaweed chips. Y'all go try this. These are very good. My favorite. If I can open them. It's child-proof. I guess I'm gonna have to open the whole thing. Anyways, guys, these are seaweed chips. They're so good. They're hot and spicy flavor. Right here. I'm gonna take a little bit out, because if not, I'm gonna eat the whole thing. But they're so good. Again, y'all go to the Asian market, y'all go get these. Let me know down below if y'all tried them out. But they're good. Nice and spicy. Oh yeah. They're crispy. You can taste the ocean. You can taste the ocean, but with spiciness. So good. Yeah, once you open up the bag, you're gonna want to eat it all when you try them out. If you get the flavor. Go try it out. If Silos likes it, y'all gonna like it. So y'all know me, I always clean the plate. Tastes good. Korean food is good. Filipino food is good. American food is good. Mexican food is good. I eat anything. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified. Merry Christmas, guys. Love y'all.